So when I thought I lost a whole bunch of weight, I mean, you got to admit, 18 pounds when you're not even trying is pretty good. What a bummer that was to find out. Nope, it was just the darn carpet. Anyway, for some reason, because my mind thought I was thinner and more energetic, I got in my pantry and rearranged everything. I got in here and I got a whole bunch. I had gotten some containers from Dollar Tree the other day. These little guys right here. And so I rearranged everything. Y'all, you know I told you. I'm kind of funny about this. I have to have all my labels pointing to the front. Got to have everything in its place. Like foods with like foods. That's how I do it. Got all my soups down there and my oils. At least I got my weed eater in here and and out of the kitchen finally. So I got all my shelves nice and arranged. Everything where I want it to be. I keep my dog food in these things. My dog food and cat food. You just hit this little thing. They pop up. Extra food. They eat Nutrish. Miss Key eats, oh gosh, I can't think what it's called. I know it by the name of she's in here. She's checking out what I'm doing. I got all my stuff all nice and arranged. I've even got place for my paints now. And my supplies. I put this rug in here because it makes the floor feel a lot warmer in the summertime. I got I bought a whole bunch of these things at Dollar Tree. And I bought these Betty Crocker things the other day at Dollar Tree. So that's pretty good. So I think all my containers for freezing things, all my extra paper towels and stuff. I rearranged everything. I can find everything. And I'm just going to add to my shelf because that shelf right there is a little bare. So I'm going to add to that one. And then a little more in this one. What are you doing, Miss Key? What are you doing, Miss Key? And then that one's bare. So I will work on that. I got a lot done, y'all. Like I said, I thought I was skinnier than I am. And I thought I had more energy than I really do. But I worked all day long because I had to take everything out of here and then bring it all back when I figured out where things were going to go. It's hard to sort of arrange shelves the way you want it to be. But I think I got it done. I'm kind of proud of it. Okay, that's great.